Hey, so if you want to make Opera One browser more secure and protect your privacy while browsing, yeah, there are a few important settings you should configure right away. In this guide, I'll show you how to set up Opera One for privacy and security step by step in 2026. First, turn on the built-in ad blocker to reduce trackers, pop-ups, and malicious ads. Now enable tracker blocking to stop websites from following your browsing activity. Make sure HTTPS-only mode is enabled so your connection is always encrypted when possible. Blocking third-party cookies helps prevent cross-site tracking and data collection. Go through site permissions and disable things like location, camera, and microphone for unknown sites. Use private or incognito mode when you don't want browsing history or cookies saved. Turn off any optional data sharing or usage statistics to reduce data tracking. Always update Opera One to get the latest security patches and vulnerability fixes. If needed, you can enable the built-in VPN for an extra layer of privacy while browsing. And yeah, that's it. These settings will help keep your browsing in Opera One more private, secure, and protected.